Hello, I'm Terry Light. I'm a graduate of Dartmouth College and the Harvard Law School and a practicing attorney. I have always had a keen interest in words and word usage. If you have a similar interest, with the help of my wife's iPad, I'd like to share with you an app for your handheld device that I created. Like every other app, Shades of Meaning begins with a tap on the iSOM icon. But unlike other apps, what you then see is different every day based on the date and time where you live. The first screen for each day's entry is a sentence in which there is a misused word or phrase. You should try to find the misused word or phrase. Some days it's simple, others it's a bit more abstruse. This is the only screen that is available to users of the free version of the Shades of Meaning app. With the paid version, after you have tried to find the error, touch the Show Solution button. On this screen, you will find a sentence with the proper word or phrase used correctly, along with the other misused word or phrase in bold letters now also used correctly. We call these two words the Shades of Meaning pair. Then tap the Definitions button. Here you will find definitions of the Shades of Meaning pair. Oftentimes, this step is not necessary for the average English speaker, but we believe that it will be very useful to our friends who are using the app to learn English as a second or third language. Next, touch the bonus button. Here you will find information that is usually directly related to the Shades of Meaning pair, or sometimes more mere wordplay or general information we believe you will find of interest. Often this involves a link to another site for more in-depth knowledge and the ability to then return back to the Shades of Meaning homepage. With the paid version, you can go backward, but you cannot go forward. There are a couple of ways to go backward. You can touch the previous button as many times as you like and stop on a particular entry and run through the same series of screens as we just did with our current today's entry. Another way to go backwards is to use the calendar. Suppose you've been away for a while and you haven't done Shades of Meaning for a couple of weeks and you want to catch up. Use the calendar to put in a date and load that date, and you now have that day's entry for you to work through. You can work forward and catch up using the next button. Another way to find previous entries or other information in Shades of Meaning is to use the search button. Suppose you wonder whether a particular word has been treated by Shades of Meaning previously. Touch the search button, then enter the word that you have in mind, and search for it. If it has appeared in a prior entry, a date will come up and you tap on that date and you will be taken to the entry. One final thought. As we said, you cannot see tomorrow's entry until tomorrow. But if you just can't wait until you wake up tomorrow morning, stay up tonight until the clock strikes midnight where you live, and presto, you will have access to the next entry. See you then.